Hello YouTube, it's my 29th birthday, and I'm at a gas station. It's also the 20th anniversary of the Berlin Wall coming down. Yeah, same day, on my 9th birthday. Anyway, I've been listening to this song, Sweetest Ass in the World, and it's playing around in my head. Anyway, I'm just out here. I was in Lawrenceburg earlier, and my wife, I fell asleep in the car, and my wife recorded me sleeping, and snoring. Yeah. I don't know if I want to post that, but she wants me to, but I don't know if I want to do that. Okay, well, talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey, nice birthday cake. Thank you.
29th birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Don't take the car out.
Go ahead and eat that, boy. Desperado.